Hello Bladers! As you reach the right age, one of your goals is to drive your own car. Of course, before driving one, you should get the proper documents. That is, owning your driver's license. Welcome to our daily drive, everyday tips for the everyday driver. As you go through the process of owning a license, you need to know the rules and regulations of the Land Transportation Office. The responsibility of having your own license is important. But, have you ever wondered when does the LTO revoke licenses? If you are curious as I am, let's dig in and find out. For a majority of us, getting our license is a rite of passage. After all, receiving permission to drive around the metro is like icing on a cake. However, being gifted a license also has weight. It's a conscious reminder to always drive responsibly. After all, with the lengths we went through to get our licenses, we wouldn't want to get them revoked. So in case, here are the main issues to watch out for to avoid getting your license revoked. Number 1, reckless driving after the third offense. Being a responsible driver doesn't only end during the test. Make sure that you drive safely and with caution. Number 2, driving under influence for the second time. More than the saying, don't drink and drive, this clause also includes taking in of dangerous drugs. Though you're mostly doing it to avoid getting stopped by an MMDA, make sure that you're doing it for your own safety as well. Number 3, driving a vehicle used in a crime. If you're driving a vehicle that has been used in an act of crime, chances are your license will immediately get revoked. Number 4, using wrong means in applying a license. This is really a no-brainer. But just for context, this includes willful misrepresentation, connivance with officers, falsification of documents, and cheating during the test. Number 5, lending or transferring of license. Your license is yours and yours alone. Never let other people borrow it. Number 6, causing death or physical injury to others. Of course you'll be apprehended when you hurt others. That's why you should always remember and be cautious of the other cars and pedestrians around you. Do you agree with our list? Or did we miss some of the government rules that you know? Comment down below so we can discuss it. We publish a new episode every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, so that you don't miss out on all of our new releases. For more driving and car care tips, visit us at www.blade.ph. Blade Auto Center, it's Blade, it's better. If you like this video, please share it with your friends on social media. Help us build more subscribers by spreading the word around. Click the round icon to subscribe at one of the videos on the left to watch our next feature. See you again soon.